Alright, welcome back guys. This is day 2 of Noob to Pro on Blender. So I'm doing a 31 day series. This is the second day. Thank you for tuning in. So yeah, the whole premise is basically just build a model every day, record and upload, and I'm trying to like really hone in on my skills and improve. So I just want to make this as like a tracker for 31 days and see how I improve. So yeah, I've been just kind of watching some videos on YouTube. I was like, wow, it's sick. I feel like I could do that. So yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is delete that and actually add it right back. Alright, and I was thinking for a simple model, just kind of the first week, I'll just do kind of basic things, just real easy to dive into. I was thinking of doing a table. So let's try this one out. I feel like that'd be kind of cool. Yes, sir. Alright. Hit it with the bevel. Oop. So I'm trying to hit it with the loop cut here. Spice bar, control R. Whoa, what did I just do? What? Why is this going? Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna pause that. Yeah, that's good. I added one, but I want to add way more than that. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay. Do that one. Alright, number of cuts. I'll do like... if I want to make legs on the end here, how many would I need? Quite a lot, actually. Do like 10? Do 12. Yeah, 12 looks good. Okay. And then kind of the same deal. Here. Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright. So, yeah, the whole idea with this, I just kind of want to make faces and essentially extrude them. That works. Okay. Very good then. So can I do like a bevel on the bottom, kind of keeping it low poly. There we go. Try to even it out with the face. Don't make it like too crazy, but just like notice it's there. Liking it so far. Cool. See if I can add like a little more detail maybe. Or this is a very simple model. I kind of want to keep it that way, but also I want to add a little depth to it. Like this. This is pretty sick. Maybe I can push it out more. So I just learned about like the gizmo here. It's pretty sick. So that helps a lot with like creating stuff. Could add it. Ooh, should I do it like inward or outward? Kind of a sucker for that. Obviously not that much. Okay, I like that it's even. That's really sick. Dang, okay, I like that. Adds a little more depth to it. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Alright. You know what? To make it a little more interesting, I know this is pretty like cut dry. I'm gonna make support beams. Let's make this like a little more interesting. And then I just kinda wanna dive a little deeper into it. Yeah, let's do like a loop cut. I'm trying to learn. Cause like, okay, control R. Pretty sure, can't you scroll wheel it or something? I swear there's a way to scroll wheel. Let's do this. I'm gonna just do another loop cut up here. I feel like there's an easier way to do all this. Like maybe there's a way to dissolve the top so it sticks or something like that. Like maybe I could just dissolve these faces back into themselves and it frees up the poly count and stuff like that. Like I feel like there's really no need to have so many faces. Like maybe that's a possibility. I'm gonna bevel the middle. That's exactly what I wanted. So I'm gonna... Cool. Let's do this first. Oop. Alright, very good. So let's just do that. Simple enough. I'm sure there's a way to like snap it, but for beginner models, I feel like you really don't need to. Like that's okay to have a little broken geometry or overlapping. I'm actually really happy with this. Like this would be cool to just mess around and have. Like you could definitely just like develop this into anything you need. Like you could really add some depth to it. Like if you want, you can make it more detailed. Like this is just a very low poly desk, and I think that's really sick. Like there's a lot of possibilities for this. Like let's see here. Let's see. All right. See if you can like insert faces or do something crazy. Didn't work. Can you bevel a bevel? Kind of. Yeah, that made kind of broken geometry. I'm not trying to do that right now. Just want to see what kind of possibilities we have. Alright, yeah, I like this. This is really cool. Alright, this video is getting a little long, but I just kind of want to show off my skills, like what I've learned. I think for next video, I'm going to try to keep it kind of in the same scope of what I did with this video. Maybe I could just add to this, or it's a new idea, but kind of based off this. But I'm just going to mess around a little more, but I just want to kind of bring that skills to the next video. I want to see how like much I improve, and as time goes on, I'm definitely just going to like keep learning how to edit, keep learning how to record, kind of just like playing with this. So I already learned a lot, I feel like, and I'm really proud of myself for that. So this is really cool. Like you got the lattice and everything, learning like the short keys. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh yeah, on the bottom, perfect. So yeah, it's really easy. If you want to make this, you could just follow along. It's not that hard, really. It's a little intimidating, just kind of starting off with nothing, but it works. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.